for a gift to give to a friend, a way to beautify your hair accessories, or just your next DIY, I have the perfect project for you. Customized hairbrushes that I've been seeing all over Pinterest. They're super cute, super cheap to make, and I think it's going to be very fun and easy. Okay, this is the brush we're working with. Kind of the only criteria is that it's a wooden brush. This is from Marshalls, I'm pretty sure. It was just $5. ASMR moment. This is just some inspo from Pinterest that I was kind of basing it off, except the mermaid one. That one was just cute. This third one is kind of the one that I was mostly looking into. I started off my design process by outlining the brush because I figured it would give like a better scope of like, I don't know, the scale. Once I was done outlining it, I started with the uppercase cursive E because I'm making it for my friend. And literally like it'd be the toughest cursive letters that I actually have to deal with. Like I love cursive down, but like an uppercase E will not do it for me. I didn't end up going with the first sketch, and the second sketch I didn't show you much of, but that's the one I decided on. Yay, design done. Started it off by filling in the E with like a light pink, which I mixed up using, I used some fabric paint because the other red acrylic paint I had was like too like warm and like muted, and I felt like the red acrylic paint or the red fabric paint that I had was better, was a better tone for this. And then I went in and I tried to make like a little flower. It doesn't look too good, but like it's okay because it's like really tiny. And later you'll see that I attached it to like a little like brown swirly whirly. Honestly, this didn't have as much like pink going on as I thought it would, but I'm actually still really happy with the results. I had to let it dry a little bit between some of the steps. I kind of just kept going over the E a few times because the paint wasn't like sticking too well to the wood because it was really smooth. When everything was all dry and I was happy enough with opacity or like the opaqueness of everything, I sealed it with Mod Podge, and I did do some of the final layers the next day. But honestly, you could do this all within the same like probably hour. I just had to do other stuff. This is the point where if you're going like the mermaid brush route, or if you just want to add a little something special, you can use your adhesive of choice. I'll put some on the screen, and get like some seashells or whatever you want to like decorate your brush. Here is some like Pinterest inspo. Spice it up however you want it. This is like really the point where you can like add your own little touch or customization. Some like extra ideas are like you could do a name or an initial like I did, or you could just do like a cute little picture, like drawing, or you could do a pattern. You could paint the whole thing, or you could just paint like little details like I did. Like you can really, make it your own. And I think that's like what I really like about this project, because it's like really simple, but also you can like add a lot to it.